Maverick begins my special Christmas greetings this evening as we reach out to the Jamaica football fraternity. A Merry Christmas and a happy and especially prosperous New Year when it comes. And trust me, the JFF and the football need the prosperity. Among the several wishes we have for the JFF is that for the new year, they get more things right than wrong. They will pay more attention to details. They will dot all the I's and cross all the T's. This year was so bad that things can only get better. As for the Red Stripe Premier League, that needs divine intervention. On the international front, the Senior Reggae Boys World Cup qualification starts next year, and we need all hands on deck. The fans and the sponsors need to get behind the team again. We need to resume our 12-man duties. As for our president, Michael Ricketts, and Jen Secknalton Wint, specifically, we need Jesus. If you all survive that series of FIFA audits, change your life, step up on your administrative game, and make sure Coach Whitmore and the team get all the support they need to go deep into the qualifying. The whole weight of the football program will be on their shoulders. We wish them well. So please, enjoy the Christmas and then get to work in the new year. Feliz Navidad y Prospero, año y felicidad.